This is Bubbl. Bubbl is a technology tool that you can use to organize different ideas and concepts. From personal experience, I know that students tend to enjoy this a lot because they could see their ideas in different lights and don't have to worry about filling out graphic organizers and things like that. So I'm going to show you how to make a mind map of your own. So I have logged in and I'm going to hit new mind map. So it tells me to start here. So my first point will be the book, The Outsiders. From here, I will be adding a new bubble. This bubble is not connected, but if I did want to connect them, I hit the little plus sign. Nope, sorry. I hit this one here, and this one connects the two of them. So first, I'm going to say this point is the main characters. Then this point over here, when I add a second one, this point will be main ideas. And we'll say this final one is the theme. So from each of these bubbles, I can add on a new bubble. So my main characters were Pony Boy. Also have Johnny, Pony Boy's brothers. You can move your bubbles around and they will follow, but if I were to pull on one that is attached, that's the only one that will follow. So from here, I can change the colors of them simply by clicking this little button here. If I wanted to make it purple, it will change and follow a theme. And it will make sure that you can always read it. You can also change the background color as well. So it's good to add different colors to your mind maps because it engages the students a little bit more, it grabs their attention. You can change the shape. So this is a grid shape. You can change it to a tree, which is really good for organizing main ideas and details as well. Or if I've seen it used in the case of writing papers. So you have your main idea and from each one you branch off and you add a different reason for this main idea. And then from there you can add your details. It's a really great way to organize all your thoughts, and I enjoy this way a lot as well. So from here, you can share your mind map. You can take your link, do what you please with it. And then they also automatically save. So if I were to, you can save it to your computer, but if I were to leave this page, my bubble would be found in my mind maps. This one was a new mind map. I did not name it. As I mentioned before, I personally like Bubbl very much so. It is a great way to have your students organize their ideas, especially because a lot of kids do not like to take notes nowadays. So if they have something electronically, it might be a little bit better because then they can also access it at home. I personally like it for the use of organizing my main ideas and details, but I've seen it in use for the use of vocabulary, comparisons, all kinds of things. You can even make them to be chronological order, which is very nice if you have like a how-to project or something like that. I highly recommend and will be using Bubbl in my future classroom.